Hi guys, so today we're going to insert names on a personalized bookmark or an e-certificate using mail merging on MS Word. So for this particular tutorial, we will be needing a form document in MS Word and an Excel file wherein all the recipients are going to be in this file. So, just a very quick preview. Ano po ba si mail merging? Mail merging is a technique used to be able to insert names on a document easily without having to edit them individually. So, in this case, ang gusto lang natin gawin, for example, sa mga teachers dyan na gusto magbigay ng mga personalized book covers, gusto magbigay ng mga personalized certificates sa mga students nila, easily, mas madaling gamitin natin si mail merging kasi kailangan lang natin ng form document and kailangan lang natin yung names nila inserted on an Excel file. So, let's start. For this scenario, for this particular example, I have here a bookmark. And then, what we want to do is to insert the names of students in this part. So natin mas mabilis. Dito sa part na may nakalagay na this belongs to. Mari lang. So, what we want to do is that this is going to be our form document in Word. And then, I already created a list of names of my students in an Excel file. Nandito na yung names nila. So, instead of editing them individually in Word, pwede kong i-import na lang tong file na to and then insert na lang natin siya dito sa form document natin. So, for our first step, we need to first insert a simple text box. Punta lang tayo kay Insert tab, click natin si text box, and then insert tayo ng simple text box in our document. So, in this case, napunta siya sa ibabaw pagkatapos instead na malagay siya here. What we just need to do is to click the image, click on the Format tab, and then kay wrap text, click lang natin yung behind text para mapunta lang siya sa likuran nung para mapunta lang siya sa likuran ng ating, and then click natin kasi yung front of text. Ayan. And then, using the position, ilipat lang natin siya sa gitna. Oops. Ayan. Now that the text box is already in front of our bookmark, isakto lang natin yung size niya here sa part ng document natin kung saan gusto natin siyang lumabas. In this particular part, nandito yung mga names natin. Kunwari, si Paul, si Shane, si Eunice, si Juan. Ano ba si mga names natin dyan? We can format this later, but for now, tanggalin lang muna natin yung shape fill niya dahil by default meron. And then si shape outline as well. Now that we already have or we've already known kung saan natin ilalagay yung mga names, let's start doing the mail merge na. Let's first go to the mailings tab, click on the start mail merge, and then click on step-by-step mail merge wizard, and then a window should appear on the right side of your screen. Mail merging has 6 parts, but I think you're going to click next sa unang dalawa. So, for this particular question, what type of document are you working on? Letters is the default, and by default, ito rin yung gagamitin natin. So, click lang natin si next starting document. Step number 2, tatanungin kayo ni mail merge, how do you want to set up your letters? Are we going to use the current document or start from a template or start from an existing one? We're going to use a document that we're working in. So we don't need to edit anything here. Just click on next, select recipients. Now, for this particular example, gagawin natin is we're going to use the Excel file that we have as the recipients list. So, meron tatlong choices. Use an existing list, select from Outlook's contact, or type a new list kung wala pa kayo nagagawang list. But in this example, we're going to use the use an existing list. So, we just have to click on browse. And then, hanapin lang natin yung file, or we're just going to look for the file or the Excel file in particular wherein our recipients list is located. So in my example, this is the file ABM 11.3 list of students. You just have to select that, click on open, and then Just have to click on OK. So, window na to. And then, ayan na yung mga names ng mga nasa Excel file kanina. So, what we want to do is to insert these names here. So, just have to click on OK. Pwede pa siyang isort pala. We can also find duplicates and validate them as well. But for now, hindi na natin siya gagalawin. Just have to click on OK. And then, here, we just have to click on write your letter for step number 4. So what we want to do is to insert an address block here wherein all the names will appear in this section. So click lang natin si address block. So in this particular example, walang lumalabas na name. Supposedly dapat nandito siya because we need to match the fields first. So click lang natin si match fields and then hanapin lang natin here the first name. Ayan. Select lang natin si column name. Ayan. Since name yung pangalan nung nasa pinakaunang cell kung saan magsa-start yung names, click lang natin si first name and then click on names. And then click on OK. And then the name should appear here. Pwede natin siya i-preview. Andiyan yung mga names nila. Okay. So, you just have to click on OK. And then, by now, nyo lang, hindi pa lumalabas yung names kasi lalabas lang siya on the step number 5 by previewing your letters. When you click on this step, lalabas yung name nung pinakahuling chinek mo for the preview. Pero, you can click here sa may preview results para makita yung names nila. And then, kapag hindi ka pa satisfied sa look nila, you can edit it. Ayan. Pwede natin siyang i-edit para sumakto na sa size niya. Okay, I think this will be fine. Oops. Okay. Yan. Once na you're satisfied with the format of your bookmark or your certificate, let's complete the merge na lang. Completing the merge is the last step. Don't worry kung isa pa lang yung page na nandyan kasi you have two choices. It's either you print it agad or you're going to edit the individual letters first. If you click on edit individual letters, tatanungin kayo ni Word if you're going to edit all the pages or a certain coverage lang. But for now, let's click on all para lahat makita natin. If you click on OK, automatically, Word will create a brand new document for you by the file name letters 1, I think. And then may kita ninyo lahat ng names naka-insert na here. Ayan na siya. Diyan yung names nilang lahat. So, mula una hanggang dulo, easily you can edit the names. Then, you can also edit pa rin naman. Customize it kung may konting mali. And then, you can save this file. Or, pwede mo nang print. Ayan na siya. Diyan na lahat ng names nila. So, yun lang. Just want to share how I create bookmarks and how I insert names on how to make a personalized bookmark using mail merge in MS Word with the help of MS Excel for the recipients list. So, yun lang. Thank you.